Whatever. That's my dog. Okay, first time for everything, right? Here's a bad idea. Where did I put it? Bad idea number 2. Don't know if it's working, but hey, let's try it. Ha. Canyon, the other way through, because the freeway's blocked by stopped cars, and this way's kind of a nice drive, so why not? The infamous Clutch Hill over there is a mistake. We're not doing a Dexter Park thing, not today. This video will be edited, maybe, if I ever edit it. But, pretty much I went to do something cool for somebody and I couldn't do it, so that sucks. This is fun to drive through here, though. Wah, wah. Hey, there's a house across the street from a bar. Wonder who lived there before. That'd be cool to live out, not really. The way to do this is to put the background in the foreground, maybe when I go through. And anyway, this beautiful scenic fucking whatever, me in the car drive that you see before you, is the opposite way that I was just going through Cago Canyon. So it probably looks bad. So I'll probably put this box, the bad one, in the little tiny area in the bottom maybe, and then you'll look through it and you'll go, hey, wait a minute. You just went through there backwards the other way, because I'm not going to go through here twice and use a camera twice just to do this for the video. I mean, I should if that's what I was doing, but unfortunately that's not what I'm doing. Like my diary of, okay, for example, I went to do something cool for somebody. Didn't happen. Yeah. Backwards. Really does feel like you go downhill though. You probably do 2 stories, physics, optical illusion, second, mumbo jumbo, the spirits of the graveyard push you away. I don't know. Go ask the people that prove shit, they probably couldn't do either one. I mean, prove either one.